Okay guys, today we're going to try and clean up the manifold. It was just an old manifold. I'll give you guys a quick look at it in a second. I'm just trying an old school remedy, a bit of cream of tartar, mixed with some hot water. I'm going to rub it on, let it soak in, and get a good old scrubbing brush and give it a scrub, and we'll see how good it looks after it. So here you can see the manifold. It's just your typical grime from a 20-something-year-old Sylvia. I'm just going to try and give it a quick clean, see what it looks like afterwards with this cream of tartar. So the plan is to add, make it like a thick paste. We'll just try and add 2 parts cream of tartar to 1 part boiling water. So we'll just mix it up and we'll pour it on and we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to mostly dab it on everywhere and just scrub it in a bit and let it sit for a bit and then scrub it off. Hopefully it comes up clean. See it sort of working away. So here's how it's going. Not sure if it's working that well. It's working a bit, but I'll keep at it and see how it looks at the end. Cool. So after a bit of time of scrubbing and cream of tartaring, still wasn't that good with results. And there are some good parts, but I don't know. I'm going to try the good old oven cleaner trick. Someone said that might work, so I'll let that soak in for a bit and we'll see the difference, see if it works anyway. So the oven cleaner's on. Give it an hour, see how it goes when it washes off. So I ended up using the CRL for a little bit, just rubbed it on directly, let it soak in and gave it a scrub. It came up alright, just a few blotchy parts here and there, but I think by hand that's probably as good as I'm going to get it without spending another week scrubbing and coating it. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. A few little dots of gunk I can't get out of, but oh well. See how it bolts together.